Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, December the 13th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles. The 2-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Yes, jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 7616. Yeah, 7616. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is really a 4-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. Here dual box. Well, this box can be a 2. So 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. The next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about the quadra boxes? Do we have here quadra boxes? See here, 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape quadra box, is always a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 3. Do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box is the same number as this box. Alright. Well, in this case, this box is the same number as that box. Should be a 1 then. Alright. More T-shape here. Another T-shape. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. The T-shape upside down. Following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another shape, same shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Also connected with that box should be also 1. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the S, and if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see the S or the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box is the same number as this box. Alright. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes. No. Only one S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Here. Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. More? No. And then the final shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape. It's rotated here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Next number 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. As a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for number 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Alright. Then, let me see. This box can be a 1. This box can also not be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright, then. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. But also those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. Then this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5s. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, this box can be a 5. But also that box can be 5. You have a double 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be here. This box, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 to 4, 3 to 4. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 2. And this box is connected with that box. So 3 to 4. But we already have a 4 there. So it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 to 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then let me think. Come on. Well. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If it places a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this T-shaped area. Should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And we have a 2 and a 4 there. We have a 2 now. So this can be a 2 and more. This box should be a 4. And that box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this S construction. Should be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this S construction. Should be there. Then. Well. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. Well, let me mark those 3 and 4. This one is also connected with that box, will be so 3 and 4. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Alright. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could... Oh, and also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be here. Let me think. Well. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here then. Alright. Should be here then. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes. And here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this S construction for number 4. I think this, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then this box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. Interesting. Come on. Well, I'm stuck here. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And I've eliminated a 5 here, so the 5 goes there. The 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for number 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Well. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yeah, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 to 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 to 5, 3 to 5. Let me think. Well, come on. Let me think. 3 to 5. Did I make a mistake here? Because I'm stuck here. This box can be 1 or 4, 2, 3, or 5. Well, 1 or 3. 2 or 5. 2 or 5. 3 or 5. What's happening? I'm stuck. Need a 2 here. This can be 2. Well, this box can be 2. So 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that box can be a 2. So 2 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Same for the 5. This box can be a 5. So the 5 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So this box can be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In these 3 boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright, so these 3 boxes. 1 and 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and the 5. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. 2 to 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes and there. 2 to 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so it's definitely a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.